Happy Monday, y'all. If y'all didn't watch the last reel, watch the last reel. Come on over to KNJ 2.0 on Facebook. We made a Mexican corn style chicken bake. Yum. Yum. I can't wait to get into this. Yes, we used a lot of butter. A lot of butter. A lot of butter. Oh, it looks so delicious. I can't wait till we get into this. And Jay is going to come down. This is Mexican corn chicken bake. I can't wait for Jay to come down and try it. Yum, yum, then some. That's the chicken in there for me. Ooh, is that chicken in there for me? Where is the chicken? I'll show you guys the final plate. Wait for the next post. Hope everybody had a wonderful day today. Happy Monday to you.